Yo, what's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. It's a brand new week. It is literally 2:30 in the afternoon. Weekends when we don't have to trade in the morning, I like to catch up on some sleep. But I don't really feel that good, so we slept in bad. I didn't get out of bed till 12. So I'm gonna do a couple things trying to make myself feel better. We're gonna make some breakfast, make some pancakes. I'm gonna go for a walk outside and get some sunshine in. We're gonna drink some vitamins, and I'm kind of just gonna go over our Sunday rest day, our market reset. That's what I like to call it. So we're gonna be going over last week. We're gonna be going over outlook for this week, and we're gonna be going over student calls. We're gonna be doing breakdowns. So I hope you guys enjoy. See how I set up for the week. And yeah, so we're gonna try to make the most out of this vlog, out of this video. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Deuces. Want to feel better, so hopefully this sun feels good. Might as well go do something with this walk. You guys are gonna see that we actually live close enough to the grocery store, which I'm really happy about. So let's get it. Beautiful day here today. I'm literally already feeling better because I see how it is. We're gonna walk by the wharf, which is the bar. Bro, so many people. So I just wanted to, throughout this walk, just wanted to give a couple pointers, to start your week. There's important things that I always make sure I do on Sundays, right? And that's one, go over all the trades I took throughout the week. Two, mark what you did wrong. And three, mark what you did right. That's so important. Don't always look for your bad things in your trading week, your trading month, or trading day, right? What did you do well, and make note of that and continuously do that, you know what I'm saying? Whether it be you manage a trade right, when you execute it right, the bias was right and execution was wrong. Like, you got to make sure all of that stuff is jotted down so you guys can learn from that, not only from the bad things, but from the good things. Walking the Publix, but again, don't get me wrong, right? I've been trading for 4.5 years. When I take a loss, I have a winning, or I have a losing week. Sometimes it's still hard, to get over that. It kind of just ruins your mood just a little bit, but you start to learn how to deal with it over time. It's like, yo, bro, just come back tomorrow, shut your chart off, and go do something. That's definitely the most important thing you gotta do, is you have to go do something. For me, if I go to the gym, bro, I forget about it, go for a walk, do something. So we secured the bag. You got some strawberries, toothpaste, pancakes. Oh, I feel like I already feel better. I'm out of the house, I'm walking, I'm getting some sun in. We got our grocery shopping done, but it is hot today. It is hot. Well, it's nice, but it's hot. I'm in sweats, chilling. So get back to the apartment and see what we're gonna do. I'm just relaxed today. I'm telling you, I'm not doing anything crazy. Maybe the pool if I'm giving up to it. Guess where I'm going now. Wasn't planning on it, but I kind of feel like it. So I might take it there. So we're in the pool. It was beautiful out. I'm actually taking this time to just call family back at home, which I do a terrible job at, which is crazy. Call my dad, call my cousins, call my mom. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just chilling poolside. Beautiful, beautiful. So we'll probably start heading back up, start getting some actual work done, talk about more about trading. All right, so we folded my clothes away. All right, so put our clothes away. We came back from the pool. We did grocery shopping. Now I'm about to just go have a nice little lunch real quick right before I have the student live session. And then it's Sunday, so we're gonna be going over last week. We're gonna be doing just a bunch of work and editing and stuff like that, which is so dope because it's Sunday and I just want to chill. So you're gonna catch me on this couch for the rest of the day. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. You guys know where we came. Yo, so I just woke up from a nap. I'm actually a little late, but I do have a call with the students right now that I'm getting ready. I got my coffee, just woke up, so I'm just gonna get this ready, and yeah. So we're gonna keep this rolling. So this is me going into session, right? I'm literally sitting down, and I'm looking at the daily time frame, and this is pretty easy. No. I wouldn't. I'm gonna be honest, I would have been done. So those 4 things only, right? Draw liquidity, higher time frame fair value gap, wait for it to get there, and then lower time frame value gap. But I get it, right? Sometimes it's not as simple as that. So I just got done my student calls. It's literally nighttime now. We actually ended up running way past through the run time. I think I went past an hour and a half, which is crazy. But yeah, now I'm gonna go over my last trading week, and now I'm gonna do some editing, and yeah, I'll probably see you guys on the charts now. Maybe watch something dope. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So doing some back testing. It's 10 o'clock at night, and doing some back testing. Sunday reset day. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Deuces. So what do we have for the markets, right? I'm going to be breaking down both NQ and GBP JPY. I'm going to show you guys what exactly I have for both. I have GJ already broken down, but we're going to go over NQ, okay? So I'm going to tell you guys right now, we're actually going to do a weekly outlook for the week, right? Which ones are the best days to trade for both markets, right? So for futures, remember that when there's a news day, it's a trading day, right? It's the best trading day because you get that volatility of push. So Monday, we got nothing. Tuesday, we don't have anything. Wednesday, we finally got CPI news, and we have PPI news the next day. And then we have USD news on Friday. So there's the middle to the end of the week is going to be the best trading conditions. So I'm already going to tell you right now, if I take a trade on Monday and Tuesday, it's going to be very, very low risk. Or not, yeah, it's going to be very low risk. In terms of the Forex markets, we have a great session, right? 2 a.m. GBP news, 2 a.m. GDP news, so you can trade after 3 a.m. open after you get that volatility, and that's really it. So it's going to be a good week for both markets, but you know, beginning of the week is going to be a little slow potentially. So now I'm going into NQ, right? And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I have. I have a daily fair value gap. We're clearly bullish. We have 2 daily candles respecting the fair value gap already, right? And we have an unleft high all the way over here that can serve as our buy side liquidity level. Once I kind of establish a bias or where I want to go, I go down to the lower time frames and try to scale in on my technicals. Again, I do live calls, so all of this was broken up you know, with a student on a one-on-one, right? And now we're gonna kind of go over what we have here. So when looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have to remember, or you have to spot off, right? We also have an H4 fair value gap. So this is also adding to the confluences and the strength of this level, right? Where price wants to reach to and have a nice strong rejection. 2 times that we rejected, that we came down to this level, we rejected it and came out with bearish, weak bearish candles. Our last 4-hour, the 9 o'clock candle, respected it and then closed bullish above. So now usually what I like is to have a change in momentum, right? A change in shift structure on the lower time frames. But nothing is clear to me here. It's all very choppy. We have this entire range right here. I would technically like, what I would do, so in this position here, what I would technically like to do is look for a fair value gap within the market here and see if we can take a trade off of here. But if you see how price is moving, I wouldn't even do that. And also time isn't not lining up with us. We're in the Asia session, so this might be the worst time to trade NQ. So what I would like to do is I like to spot this pre-range, right? And we're gonna mark off something important. We have buy side liquidity here. Internal, right? This is lower time frame stuff. And we have sell side liquidity here. What I'm going to be expecting, since I have a bullish bias, is I want price to generate liquidity, okay? I'm gonna want price to come down here, right? And possibly break under, right? Get all those traders out who are selling here with their sell limits, sell stops, market executions, right? I'm gonna wait for price to generate liquidity down here. And then what you're gonna see is start to see a break above. Fair value guys being formed on a lower time frame, and then hopefully we can ride this trade all the way up to the highs of the week, right? Even last week's daily highs, right? That also holds a bunch of liquidity. So this is what I'm going to be waiting for. I think this is a beautiful setup that can happen on NQ by the time New York hits. This is Sunday market breakdown. I hope I get this video out in time. I'm gonna just download it and edit it right now. And yeah, today was a great day. Student calls, got a lot done. Groceries, cleaned the house. And thank you guys for watching. Sunday reset days are so important. Hope you guys do always make sure you do that back test, go over your previous week. Remember, there's a form in the description. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys later. Deuces.